Hey everybody, Bill here with Live Simple, Live Free, and I wanted to do this short video just to let you know that Thrive Life has just announced a Boxing Day sale. Actually, it's a Boxing Week sale. Now, if you're new to the channel and you don't know what Thrive Life is, it's a company that makes premium freeze-dried food delivered right to your door. This is the best quality freeze-dried food on the market, and it's great for long-term storage because it's got a 25-year shelf life. It's also great for daily use, and in fact Elizabeth and I use Thrive food in probably 50 to 60% of our cooking on a daily basis, and we have for years, and we absolutely love it. If you'd like to find out more about that, I have a playlist of what I call Cooking with Thrive, which I think we have 40-some videos in there demonstrating cooking different recipes with Thrive Life freeze-dried food. So I'll put a link to that on the end screen of this video and also in the description down below. Now, the Boxing Day sale. I will talk about that in a second, but first, what in the world is Boxing Day? As an American, it's not something that we normally celebrate. In fact, I think I was probably 50 years old before I even heard of Boxing Day. And apparently it's a British, originally a British celebration, and a lot of you British friends will say, what, you never heard of Boxing Day? No, I never have. Apparently now it's also, I find that it's also celebrated in Canada. So Thrive Life has decided to celebrate Boxing Day, Boxing Week, along with our Canadian friends, because Thrive is available in the US and in Canada. So what is Boxing Day? Well, apparently the rich would take the day after Christmas, December 26th, and box up gifts to give to the poor, and also box up gifts to give to their servants, and then the servants would have the day off so they could go spend with their families and that sort of thing. At least I understand that's the origin of it. How it's celebrated now, quite frankly, I don't have a clue. Being an American, we just don't do Boxing Day. But okay, so there it is. There's Boxing Day, Boxing Week. What is the sale? Basically, everything on the Thrive Life website will be on sale with an additional 10% off. Now, you can use this Boxing Day sale code for everything on the website, except for the consultant starter kits. If you want to become a consultant, there's no discount on that. And the regular December monthly specials. Those are already deeply discounted, so they're not giving an additional discount on that. Of course, if you want to take advantage of the December of every month, they have monthly specials. Those are only available to delivery customers. So everything on the website except the consultant starter kits and the delivery and the December specials. So if you're going to place a one-time order through your shopping cart, you can get an additional. You can get 10% off of everything on the website, and in order to get that, you need to use the coupon code Boxing Day at checkout. Now, if you're on the delivery service, you will know that on the delivery service you already get 15% off of all retail pricing. Plus, you get free shipping on any order over $100, which is, the shipping is normally 12%. So that's actually 27% you're saving. But with this Boxing Day sale, if you use the coupon code Boxing Day, you will get an additional 10% off of the retail price. So instead of getting 15% off of retail like you normally do, you're going to get 25% off of retail. How cool is that? And then of course free shipping. So you can use it as a one-time order. Just use Boxing Day as a coupon in your checkout, or you can use it in the delivery to get 25% off of retail. Now the dates are December 27th through the 31st, and the Boxing Day coupon will be active on the 26th, but it not so that you can place it in your order, but it won't actually take effect until the 27th. In other words, if you have a delivery order scheduled for the 27th, you can go in on the 26th and put in the coupon code Boxing Day so that when your order processes on the 27th, you will get the discount. If you're going to place a one-time order, then just go in on the 27th or sometime thereafter and use the Boxing Day code to get your 10% off. I hope you're going to take advantage of this. If you've never used Thrive before, this is a great time to be able to try it for the first time at a discount or to stock up. If you're a regular Thrive customer, then this is a great time to stock up on additional Thrive food for your long-term storage or for daily use. So I hope you find this helpful. I hope you're as excited about it as I am. Boxing Day sale, December 27th through the 31st. Use the coupon code Boxing Day. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later.